You know, glioblastoma is what's called a primary brain tumor, meaning the cancer originated in the brain rather than spread there from another site in the body. Unlike many other cancers, though, survival from brain tumors has not improved with modern therapies. Here's what doctors are doing to change those odds. The surgery that John McCain had last week was reportedly to remove a blood clot from the front of his brain. But it later was revealed that doctors had found a glioblastoma. And even though they say they were able to remove all of the visible tumor, this type of brain cancer almost always comes back because
the cells from this tumor infiltrate. They go into the brain. Sometimes they're referred to as spreading tentacles into the brain beyond what we can see on MRI.
The present standard of care for brain tumors is 6 weeks of radiation combined with 6 months of a well-tolerated oral chemotherapy called temozolomide. But most cancer drugs have limited usefulness against brain tumors because of something called the blood-brain barrier, a natural defense of the cells lining brain capillaries that protects the brain from germs, toxins, and cancer drugs. That's why researchers have tried non-drug approaches.
There are trials with immune therapy, with different agents that interfere with blood vessel formation.
Doctors at the JFK Neuroscience Institute in New Jersey ran trials that led to the approval of a device that emits electromagnetic pulses into the brain and has extended survival in some brain tumor patients. JFK has also been testing a brain cancer vaccine with some success, the idea being to get the patient's own immune system to recognize and attack the cancer cells. Now, there are more than 400 clinical trials looking at ways to treat glioblastomas. Some involve characterizing the tumor DNA, which is being done for McCain's cancer. The idea being to see if there are genetics that might better predict sensitivity to certain treatments. But if he goes with the standard of care, the oral chemotherapy and the radiation, there's a very good chance that he should be able not only to return, but even be able to return to the Senate during some of that treatment, depending on where he decides to do his radiation treatment.
Okay, thank you, Doctor.
Thank you, Doctor.